missing piece of their puzzle, want to sort out things with you. I think they already tell you they want second chance. Where you are strict and tough. You really don't want this person to hold you back. The remedy, I think, you are the cure. Living happily ever after. You can give that. Need to be strong. A little counter between both of you. Hi Sagittarius, welcome back to my channel Little Love Stories. Today I'm gonna do your weekly love reading for the month of February, Tuesday special. Keep in mind that these readings are general. This may be resonate with you or maybe not resonate with each and every one of you. If it resonates with you, you can take guideline from these readings, and if it not resonate with you, you can simply ignore it. And for covering every area of your love life, I will use this pattern. This is spread. This is easy for both of us to understand what is happening in your person's mind, what they're thinking towards you, what their current situation, what their feelings towards you. Okay, Sagittarius, let's get started. What are the Sagittarius person's feeling, thinking, and intentions towards Sagittarius? What are the Sagittarius person's feeling, thinking, and intentions towards Sagittarius? What are the Sagittarius person's feeling, thinking, and intentions toward Sagittarius? And we are having here Seven of Pentacles, Judgment, King of Swords, Knight of Wands. What are the Sagittarians' feelings, thinking, and intentions toward this person? What are the Sagittarians' feeling, thinking, and intentions toward this person? And we are having here the Fool, Five of Pentacles, Hermit, Seven of Wands. What are the mutual energies? What are the mutual energies? And we are having here Wheel of Fortune, Ace of Wands. These are your cards and sign that could relate it to your person. It could be an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius with this Ace of Wands, Knight of Wands, Seven of Wands. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn with this Five of Pentacles, Seven of Pentacles. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius with this King of Sword. And Virgo with this Hermit card. This person is waiting for you. This person waiting for a second chance. This person realize something and they feel like that maybe they can't live without you, and you are a necessary part, you are a missing piece of their puzzle, and realize that they want, I think they want second chance, table talk, face to face talk to you, want to sort out things with you. Now this person want that, the table talk, and this person is waiting for your reply. I think they already tell you they want second chance. They want table talk with you face to face or maybe on call and text, but they want clarity and second chance with you, and they are waiting for your reply. But they get a feel from you like you are strict, you are not, your feelings, nothing, no feelings in you for them. This person feel like that you're giving them strict poses and you are cold and nothing in your heart for this person. And this person's, that's why this person's passion towards is on and off. They want to, reach you, they want to chase you, but they feel like that no, they just stop themselves, hot and a cold. They feel on and off, and their passion is like because of your coldness and your strict, the way you are strict and tough. This person on and off, and they are waiting for you. And maybe this person want, yes, this person always want a second chance with you, and you are taking a leap of faith, and this person is holding you back. You want to have a new beginning, and you are taking a leap of faith, you are having a new beginning, and you feel like that this person is just holding you back and not letting you move on and not want to have you someone new. You feel like that this person is holding you back. And with this Hermit card, that's why you take a step back from this person and put some kind of distance between you and this person, and just going on a hermit mode. You really don't want this person to hold you back the way this person always do that, hold you back for the certain point and then leave you, then release it. This is the game. You feel like that this is this person's game, holding you back, always show like that they are waiting for you, they invest everything in this relation, they are perfect and all that, and hold you. And when you are ready to be with this person, and this person again leave you, that's why you are fighting against this person. Like this is a battle now, open war. Like you are not going to let this person to use you and ruin your happiness over and over again and hold you back. That's why you are standing up for yourself and standing against this person and pushing this person away and putting some kind of distance and pushing. This is open now. You are not going to let this person to hold you and then leave you. This is a game. You think like that. This person is always do that. Wheel of Fortune, you are this person's, you are lucky for this person somehow. This person feel satisfied and You are the remedy, I think. You are the cure. And maybe they love to play with you and excited, you are excitement. And there is some kind of passion in you, a huge passion switched inside you. You really want to, push this person away and fighting against this person. Some kind of something is complete and something is began with a huge passion, a spark of energy. Let's see what else we have for you, Sagittarius. Okay, 10 of cups. What else we have for Sagittarius? What? Okay, let's go with that. Two of wands and queen of pentacles. With this 10 of cups, this person feel like that you can make anyone happy. You can give anyone completion, the happy ending and living happily ever after. You can give that to anyone. They know that. This is they admit, and this is they like about you. You are a perfect potential partner. They admit that. This is a reality. They know that. And with this two of wands, this is a card when you are exploring other options, when you are not letting, just making plan about your life strategy, and just want to explore other option, want to explore world, want to explore around. And yes, you are exploring world. A little device in your hand, you can explore world with that. And yes, you want you taking some kind of making some kind of plans here. You are just choices in your hands, and you choose to be explore someone else. You are making plan, some kind of strategy. And this person feels so comfortable with you, so relaxed, so real, cozy, comfortable. You are the cure, you are the remedy. And this confirms that. Queen of Pentacles confirmed that. You are so real. You are not going to, get out of your comfort zone and do something ridiculous. No. You are, this is who you are. Being comfortable, calm, relaxed. And you're making your environment even comfortable and cozy. Okay, let's see. For more insights, what should you avoid? What should you do? For more information, for more insights, Sagittarius. And we are having here Page of Wands, Strength, Eight of Wands. So you need to be bring some excitement in your life, enthusiasm, excitement. This person, like a new love, search for new love. If you're taking a leap of faith, just find someone else, somebody just that will excite you, something, some activity that will excite you. This is your card want to tell you. And so, just control your feelings, your emotions. Stronger, need to be strong. This person, this card want to tell you, just be strong. And with this Eight of Wands, a communication, a rapid communication between both of you. Outcome position, Eight of Wands, enthusiasm in you, excitement in you, passion in you. Maybe this person try to rush into you and talk to you, but you are pushing this person away. Just from this angle, if we look at from this angle, this person is with passion, holding their love and passion and traveling towards you, and you are pushing this person away. And fast communication. This is a little counter between both of you. Let's see what your angel want to add in this situation, in this reading. You deserve the best. Reach for the star with your dream and desire, and don't compromise. Astra, beautiful. Your angel want to tell you you deserve the best. Reach for stars. Okay, let's see what advice messages. Spend some time with your mother. Say thanks. Believe in destiny. Unblock, delete instead. These are few advice messages in the end, and the summary of your reading is this person waiting for you, and this person want a table talk and a second chance. But you are sick, you are cold, you want to explore world, you want to explore someone else, some other options. You think this person hold you back and then leave you and waste your time and your feelings and your emotion, and that's why you are practically pushing this person away and standing up for yourself. And you're so strong, you are strong. Look for another excitement, look for a person, look for somebody who excite you, who give you some other activities. These are few summaries of your readings. Hope this helpful for you. Thank you so much for your time and attention. God bless you. Bye.